Hi everybody, I'm Trevor Bales with Bales Hay Farm and Ranch. Yes, my last name is Bales, and yes, we bale hay. We are in the shop right now. I'm gonna try something. I've got a camera set up on that pole, and we're working on our International 770 disc. It has a big crack. So Manuel and Chava are gonna take it apart so they can do some welding on it. This has a transmission line that's broke, which we've got to get fixed because tomorrow I got to take it to the shop to get some bushings done on the leaf springs and new shocks. So got a lot going on in the shop today. So Chava's got the hose off. I am gonna do what I do best and go get parts. Well, a new hose. So off to John Deere we go. I enjoy going to John Deere because I told myself every time I go, I'm gonna buy Hank a toy. I don't go super often. The other guys go quite a bit, so I'm not personally in there. So when I am, I try to get him a tractor or something because he loves tractors. And I love him. There's a tractor. Okay, off we go. Got a excavator and a little cotton picker for him. The cotton picker makes noise, the excavator doesn't. But the excavator is sandbox approved, so he'll be happy. He better be happy. Also made a Napa run, got some brake cleaner to clean stuff. Then we accidentally drove over a creeper the other day, so I got a new creeper. Some WD-40, ran out of that. Pretty good at spending money at Napa, but I go in phases where I go a lot and I don't go for a long time. But I go a lot and I don't go for a long time, so oh well. These guys didn't waste any time. They're already putting it back together. I got another load of big bales, so time to go back to the in-laws. Then I got 3 truckloads out in the field we gotta haul, so time to get to it. this guy is strapping down his truck. We'll weigh him out and back to some fields just down the road. I got 3 trucks to load. What's tough is there's an extra 3 stacks besides these semis. So after I load these 3 semis, I have to get in the retriever truck and make 3 trips out. And it's about a 12-mile trip, so it takes quite a while. Hopefully there's a spare truck and someone can do it with me. So I'm doing 2 things at one time right now. I'm done live on my Instagram, and we're looking at some alfalfa. It's leafy, it's green, it's pretty, and we're baling. Look at all you guys get to claim that you're on YouTube now. See, check that out. See how that works? Hope you guys like green hay. I think it's tasty. I would eat it. Oh, that's leafy. What does that do for you guys? Max, I saw you on there, Max. What do you think your horse is doing what do you think your horse would do if he saw this video? Oh, man. Ooh, yeah, buddy. All right, just got done on Instagram Live. My phone started to die. One of the things I do is I spray paint information on the hay. Field, the farmer, the property owner initials, the field number, and the month. So that's how you gotta shake this up. It's been sitting in there. See if it works real quick. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that to my camera. RN 9-3. N 9-3. I think this field is actually 8. That one's 9. Let's just fix this. There. There. 8. Looks like an 8. There. All right. So that's part of that's part of what I have to do. It really helps when I get back to a barn and we have hundreds of truckloads, and I don't know, especially when I'm loading a truck and I don't remember anything about it. I want to see where it's from, and I kind of remember what the quality looked like. I try to take notes. Sometimes the notes work, sometimes they don't. I shouldn't say the notes never work. Me remembering to take notes doesn't work. Inventory is important. Sometimes something as simple as red spray paint is pretty effective. Truck just pulled up. You guys can watch me load. Well, today is over, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty glad it is. Missed lunch, but for a good reason. Stuck in the squeeze a lot longer than I wanted to be in the squeeze. Loaded several trucks. Everything is done, but it was windy outside, and wind is never fun. Well, it's that time of day. I'm Trevor Bales. Thanks for watching the Bales Hay Farm and Ranch Show. If you liked what you saw, please give a thumbs up, hit it, and subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Tell your family to subscribe. Tell everyone to subscribe. Thank you.